Welcome to the studio of Simplified EGD, your go-to learning space for mastering engineering graphics and design.
On the map of Ahmedabad city, 1 centimeter represent 1 kilometer. So, in given data, we can write 1 centimeter that represent 1 kilometer. So, 1 centimeter is our drawing length that we are going to draw. That is equal to 1 centimeter, and actual length is 1 kilometer that we are representing as 1 centimeter. So, we can calculate from this that RF, that is equal to drawing length upon actual length, equal to 1 centimeter divided by 1 kilometer. So convert this kilometer into centimeter. 1 centimeter divided by 1 into kilometer will be converted into meter, so we can multiply by 1000, so it is meter. Now we have to match the units, so from meter we will convert this into centimeter by multiplying by 100. Centimeter cancel, so it will be 1 upon 1 2 3 4 5 times 0. Okay, this is our RF. Now we will go further. Construct a plane scale to measure the distance between GTU and Lal Darwaja, which is 6 kilometers. Means maximum measurement is given. Maximum measurement, that is equal to 6 kilometers. Also indicate on scale the distance between Gita Mandir and Kakaria Lake, which is 3 kilometer and 7 hectometers. So this is the distance that we need to indicate. So we can calculate length of scale is equal to RF into maximum measurement. So our RF is 1 upon 10 raised to 5 into maximum measurement is 6 kilometers. Again convert this kilometer into centimeter. Kilometer equal to 1000 meter equal to 100 centimeter, equal to 20 cancel, 30 cancel, 30 cancel, so 6 centimeter. So we are going to plot 6 centimeter long line. 6 centimeter long line. 5 mm upper side, 5 mm lower side. Similarly on this side. 2 points will give us a straight line. So 6 centimeter long line we have sketched. What is the length of line? That is 6 centimeter. What distance it represents? That we need to indicate. 6 centimeter represent 6 kilometers, as its RF is equal to, what is RF? 1 is to 10 raised to 5. Okay, now we have used all the given data, but what to do now? Is it given anything? Yes, we have to present 3 kilometer and 7 hectometer. So we have 2 units to indicate, kilometer and hectometer. We have unit conversion, 1 kilometer that is equal to 10 hectometer. So it is required to plot a smallest division of 1 kilometer. We have 6 kilometer indicating by 6 centimeter long line. So 1 kilometer can be represented by 1 kilometer into 6 centimeter divided by 6 kilometers. Kilometer cancel, 6 cancel, 1 centimeter. So at every 1 centimeter we will plot a division. So plot lines and make each division. Leave the first division, give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numberings. This represents kilometers. On this side we are going to indicate sub-unit. Kilometer has the hectometers. 1 kilometer division, 1 kilometer represent 10 hectometers. So here we will write 10 hectometers. So this 10 hectometer distance, we will divide this portion into 10 equal parts for 10 hectometers at every 1 mm measurement. Fifth division will be longer. Okay, and it is required to indicate 3 kilometer and 7 hectometers from 0, 1, 2, 3 kilometer, and from this side 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hectometer. So this is 3 kilometer, 6, 7. So this will indicate 3 kilometer and 7 hectometer. Construct a diagonal scale or RF 1:48 showing yard, feet and inches. So given data, RF is given, RF that is equal to 1:48 and it is required to show yard, feet and inches. So here are 3 different units, so we have to draw a diagonal scale. Sometimes it is not given in the exam that to draw a diagonal scale, so by using this, by considering these 3 units, you can identify that you need to draw a diagonal scale to represent the maximum length of 8 yards. So maximum measurement that is equal to 8 yards. Mark on scale that we are going to mark. So your answer will be, we can calculate first of all length of scale that is equal to RF into maximum measurement. What is RF? We have 1/48 into maximum measurement that we need to indicate is 8 yards. Now we have unit conversion. 1 yard that is equal to 3 feet and 1 foot that is equal to 12 inches. We have a scale by which we can measure inch on our scales. So we will convert this yard into inch. So to remove yard, we will convert this yard into feet first of all, then from feet again 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Now it is in inch. 12 4s are 48. 2 into 3 that is 6 and unit is inch. So we have to draw 6-inch long line. So plot 6-inch long line after leaving near about 10 centimeter distance below. You may take 7 centimeter measurement. Okay, from here 7 centimeter below. Draw 6-inch long line. As we have done earlier, we will plot a block 5 mm above and 5 mm below. We will mark 2 points for each 5 mm to plot a straight line. The scale is, what is the length of scale that we have sketched? We have sketched 6-inch long line, 6-inch long scale that will represent 8-yard measurement, that is maximum measurement, 6-inch and 8 yards. Now what to do next? So we will read again the given data. We have utilized this, we have utilized this. Now we have to mention yard, feet and inches. So we have yard, feet and inches. Now we need to mention this portion. So we have unit conversion, this 1 yard, that is equal to 3 feet. So to indicate 3 feet, I should have minimum measurement of 1 yard to indicate here. So we have total 8 yards. To represent 8 yards, we have plot 6-inch long line. So to represent 1 yard, we have to plot 1 yard into 6-inch divided by 8 yard. Yard cancel. 6 divided by 8. What will be the answer? 6 divided by 8. It will give us 0.75 inch. So at every 0.75 measurement, we will divide this line. Here in a scale you can see this measurement is 1 inch, this is half inch, and half of this point, that will give us 0.75. So we will mark 1, 2, 3, 4 from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's same. In some of the scale, as this portion is longer, similarly in some scale this portion also given longer, so you can easily identify. Okay, plot the blocks. Sorry, here it is a mistake. Point is this, so I am correcting. Okay, leave one block, give measurement 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 yard. We have left one block and 7 yards will be indicated here. Now, and to indicate feet here, we have unit conversion 1 yard, that is equal to 3 feet. 1 yard, that is equal to 3 feet. So this is 1 yard portion, we will indicate 3 here, and it is required to now plot this portion into 3 equal parts. So at every 0.25 inch measurement, we will divide this portion to 5. Again from 0.25. Okay. So here one division will indicate 1 foot, 2 feet and 3 feet. Now we also need to indicate inches here. 1 foot will indicate 1 foot, that indicate 12 inches. So we have to divide this portion into 12 equal parts. So to divide this portion into 12 equal parts, we will take a measurement of 0.5 centimeter, means 5 mm measurement, and plot 12 points. Okay, draw a line. Similarly, prepare a full block. Take your roller scale, roll the scale, plot 0 number point, then for 1 number just mark here, for 2 number mark here. Now we will connect this 0 point, this is 0, 1, 2 and 3. We will connect this 0 with 1 number, then 1 number with 2, 2 with 3. This is indicating that 0 and 1, this is the actual measurement, horizontal measurement that we are going to measure. So we have extended this 1 point to here, and now by these points we are sketching the straight horizontal line. And dividing this 0 to 1 line or 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 line into 12 equal parts. Here we are going to measure all the measurement horizontally. Okay, so this height doesn't matter. You can take 1 centimeter here also. Here we took this measurement, the height as a 5 mm. Okay, this line we are considering as baseline 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this is last one 12. So we have ultimately divided this much portion into 12 equal parts. Okay, now your diagonal scale is ready. What we need to indicate here, let's start from the last one. 3 yard, 1 feet, 3 inch. So we will indicate 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is yard here. So 3 yard, 0, 1 feet and 3 inches. 1 feet, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 feet और उसके ऊपर की इंक्लाइन लाइन पे हम लेंगे 3 inch. Draw a straight line, not incline. This measurement will indicate 3 yard, 1 feet and 3 inch. Okay. Next measurement is 5 yard, 5 feet, 8 inches. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. Okay, then 5 feet, 0, 1, 2, 3. We have indicated only 3 feet. So how to get this 5 feet here? Do we need to draw here again? No. What we need to do? We have to convert its unit as we have 1 yard, that is equal to 3 feet. Or we can say at every 3 feet completed, we will indicate it by 1 yard. Okay, so we have how many feet? How many feet we have? 5 feet. So 5 feet, we can divide it into 2 parts. 3 feet plus 2 feet. That will give us 5 feet. Okay, so 3 feet we can indicate that is equal to 1 yard. Now what we have? 5 yard, 5 feet, 8 inch. 5 yard, 5 feet and 8 inch. So what we can indicate? 5 yard we have separated 3 feet, that is equal to 1 yard plus 2 feet. So 1 yard we will add into this 5. So it will become 6 yards. Then remaining 2 feet remain. 2 feet and 8 inches. We will indicate this measurement over there. Okay, 6 yards, 6 yards, then 2 feet 8 inch. 2 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 inch. Draw straight vertical line. Give dimension, give measurement. What it represent? We will write this. No, we have to write this. 5 yards, 5 feet and 8 inch. Okay. Next we need to indicate 3 yard, 3 feet, 6 inch. Again here it is given 3 feet, but 3 feet that is equal to 1 yard. So we will add this 1 yard here. So it will become 4 yard. How many feet? Now it remains 0. 0 feet and 6 inch. So here it is 4 yard. We will plot line. 4 yard, 0 feet and 6 inch. 3, 4, 5 and 6 inch. Three yard, 3 feet and 6 inch. Here it is matched up. So take more measurement, leave the space near about 10 centimeter before plotting this scale. Okay. Might be you have one more question, that why I have not mentioned 3 yard, 3 feet and 6 inch, as we have 3 feet here available. Okay. We have this scale. Here it is given the measurement up to 30 centimeter. If it is given to plot 32 centimeter or 30.5 centimeter, then what you will do, you will indicate after this, not on this line. Okay. Similarly here, if it is given 3 feet only, then we have to plot on this line. We can plot on this line, but it is given that 6 inch extra, means we have to mention on this side. Okay. As we have mentioned here, we have not mentioned actually on a straight line. We can say this one number and one number. This is after this one number. Okay. So this vertical line indicate 1 feet. This extra distance will indicate 3 inches. Similarly, this vertical line indicate 3 feet. And for 6 inch, to mention this 6 inch, we have to go further. Okay, that's why we have converted this 3 feet into 1 yard. Okay, that's it.